So it's a quite rainy day in my local woods, and I've set out today on a little short hike. I'm going to try and find some fatwood, so stick around. Here we go, this looks quite promising. I'll pan you around so you can see what I'm looking at. A lot of old pines have all just fallen over around here, so hopefully a few of these will have the old branches remaining. I think I could see a very likely candidate up ahead. You can see this old half-rotten pine here with loads of these old branches as well, the old terminals that are coming off it. So what we're going to do is I'll get my saw out. Oh, it looks like loads heading up that way. As the rest of the wood has rotted away, you can see here how punky and gross this stuff is. These are still pretty solid, so that might mean a lot of the pine resin has seeped down. You can see there's a kind of slightly orange tinge to it. This wood should still be quite sound, full of resin, and it'll be brilliant for lighting fires. So let's see what we can get out of this. It's really starting to rain now, so you bear with me a second. I'm going to get my saw out and we'll start sawing some of this fatwood. So there we go. There's a pretty decent example of what we're after. It's lovely burnished sort of amber-like colour to it. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Obviously it's a bit ragged towards the end there, but we'll clean that up. So we'll put that on the good pile. Look at that piece, absolutely stunningly red. So, looks like we did find some indeed. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab I think about 5 or 6 pieces that I managed to find. There's more than enough left for everyone else if they ever find this spot of woods as well. And I'm going to go off into these denser bit of coverage, so keep myself out of the rain a little bit. So that wasn't a bad little score of fatwood today. You can see an example of some of the stuff that we found. See if it'll focus in on that. There we go. I'm going to split a couple pieces of this and we can see what it looks like inside. There you can see it doesn't go very deep into it. This end bit's very rotten, very soft, punky wood there. But there's quite a lot of nice fat wood towards the end. See that lovely fluff that's created. There we go. We'll just use a little bit. See how quickly that goes up as well, like a little lantern. Beautiful. Oh, smells amazing as well. I'll get my hands warmer. That's pretty much all from me. Thank you for watching. I'm going to use this in a future video with a new fire starter that I'm making. And thank you for all my new subscribers as well. Really appreciate it. All the best and enjoy your weekends. Thank you guys.